Alright, today I have a SipsBy unboxing. This is a monthly subscription box. If you guys haven't heard of SipsBy is, like I said, a monthly subscription box that for $15 they send you 4 different brands of teas to try out. You go to the website, you create your profile and add your likings, your dislikes. So you like green tea, black tea, herbal, oolong, you like smoky, cinnamon, spicy. So based on your likings and your profile, they send you teas geared towards your preference. I have mine set up to only receiving loose leaf tea. However, last month I received some tea bags. Mostly were loose leaf, but I received some tea bags, so I was a little bit disappointed. I'm gonna see for this month on February we got only loose leaf teas, so we're gonna see what I got here. Stick around because also at the end of the video I'm gonna be trying out one of the teas that I got in this month, and I'll give you guys my honest review, and I'm gonna taste it right here in front of you guys and we'll discuss about it. So stick around if you guys want to see what I got for my month on SipsBy February. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got this month. Last month I got some tea bags and some loose leaf, and I had my profile set to only loose leaf, so I was a little bit disappointed. I'm gonna see if in this month I got only loose leaf tea, because that's pretty much what I crave the most and what I like the most. I don't hate tea bags, but I mean I do prefer loose leaf teas, and if I'm gonna pay for finding out about a new brand, I would like to find about a new brand based on their loose leaf tea, because I feel like that's higher quality. Not to say that tea bags are not high quality, but I just prefer loose leaf teas. Alright, so the first thing we have here is this brand, which is MICACAO. This is a brand from Ecuador, and they specialize on chocolate husks. I've had this brand before. I actually won this brand in a giveaway on Instagram about 2 years ago, and I really like this tea bag. I think I still have the container of my tea bag. I got a 5-pound bag or a 5 ounces bag. I'm gonna see if I could insert a clip of that tea, but I like this tea. Actually, this tea tastes really good without any milk. I would assume that since it's a chocolate tea, you can actually make it into like a tea latte, but it's not tea. It's actually just the husks of the chocolate. This one here is a gluten-free and vegan great source of antioxidants, iron, magnesium, and zinc. It is loose leaf and is made 100% from Ecuador. So yeah, I really like this tea. Really nice tea. I recommend you guys, if you like chocolate teas, to try this out. It's not gonna give you, it's more of an herbal tea. It's not gonna give you a kick of energy or a kick of bitterness. So I really like this brand, and yeah, MICACAO, highly recommend. I actually follow them on Instagram, so I'll include their Instagram so you guys can follow them as well. But yeah, MICACAO, it's really nice. I really like it. By the way, we got 2 of them. We got 2 of MICACAO, so yeah. The next one we got here is Stash. This one is the Empress Lady Grey Black Tea. You guys know I like black tea. I love drinking Earl Grey tea. And I've had Stash before. I've gotten Stash tea bags from SipsBy from a few years ago, and I haven't used them. So I am excited to try this brand in a loose leaf. I haven't tried this brand in loose leaf. Like I said, I've only tried them in tea bags. So this one is, like I said, the Empress Lady Grey Black Tea. This one here is it just gives you, okay, so let me read you guys the ingredients. This one has blended black tea with orange peel, bergamot oil, orange oil, and lemon oil. It seems like it's going to be a very zesty Earl Grey, which I like. However, like I said, like I've been mentioning, Earl Greys tend to be a hit or miss for me. Sometimes they're very fruity and sometimes they're very bitter. It's very hard to find one that's right in between, which is what I prefer. This one seems to be more on the fruity side, since it does have a lot of orange oil, bergamot oil, orange peel, so lemon oil. So I'll see about that, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna smell really delicious. Another tea we got this month was the Leaf of the East. This is a honey scented black tea. This is from Taiwan, and it was manufactured in 2018. So this one here has a source from Taiwan, Leaf of the East. Teas are always ecologically and sustainably grown for a cup of tea, which will refresh your body and put your mind at ease. Choose from our seasonal selections, and it gives you steeping instructions in the back. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I've never had anything from this brand before. I've never had tea from Taiwan that I'm aware of. So this one is a black tea, honey scented. So I am excited to actually brew this cup and see the aroma. So I'm very excited to try this. I'm gonna try this actually at the end of the video, so you stick around. You guys are gonna get a little preview of me trying this out and give you guys my honest opinion on this one. And the last tea we got this month, guys, the last one is the Joya, which in Spanish means jewelry or like a jewel. This one is the Elevate Chai Inspired Blend with maca, rhodiola, and chicory root. Loose leaf herbal tea. And this one here is good for energizing, adaptogenic, and cognitive support, and is USDA organic. I got 0.5 ounces, half an ounce. Good for sampling. I've seen them in Instagram, popping out on my Instagram. So this one is an herbal tea, but it is, I guess, kind of like a chai rooibos, since it is a chai inspired blend. So I'm not sure what that means. I guess it tastes like chai without it being like chai, kind of like vegan tofu or vegan cheese. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'm actually gonna open this and give it a sniff, see what I think of it. I do like chicory root. I do like Ticino. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but Ticino is a chicory kind of like coffee alternative, but it's chicory tea, and it's really delicious. So I'm excited to try this out. This one smells really good. It smells just like a chai tea. Oh, it smells really good. Now guys, if you guys didn't know, chai and tea is the same word. Chai is tea in, I guess, in Hindu or some kind of other language. But so when you're saying chai tea, it's like you're saying tea twice in a row. So I guess a lot of people think of chai tea, they're thinking of masala chai. Masala chai is pretty much spices that make the chai the tea, if that makes any sense. So when you think of chai latte, you're pretty much are referring to masala chai. There's a lot of different chais, like chai rooibos, for example, which is like a herbal chai. But yeah, so this one it smells really good. Let me read the ingredients in here. This one has chicory root, dandelion root, maca root, ginger root, nutmeg, cocoa husks, fennel seed, cardamom, cinnamon, rhodiola root, cloves, star anise, black peppercorn, natural vanilla flavoring, and it is organic. So this one has an earthy aromatic blend of botanicals to nourish and support the hormonal and nervous system and invigorate body and mind. Unsweetened, and it's third-party lab tested. I'm not sure what that third-party lab tested means, but I am very excited to try this. And this is giving me very while you're smelling this, I'm imagining myself actually just cozy up in a blanket watching like a scary movie in a cold winter night. I can just picture myself drinking a nice cup of this while watching a movie. It smells really good. Since I already opened this one, I'm actually gonna try this one instead of this one, since I already opened it. So stick around, because I'm gonna come back at the end and tell you guys exactly my thoughts on the Joya tea, which smells really good. And also guys, with every purchase from your SipsBy, you always get this little muslin cloth, which has little tea bags that you can definitely use for future loose leaf teas that you want to make into a cup, or maybe you want to take a little loose leaf tea bag on the go for work or for a meeting or something. I have a lot of my dogs barking right now, and that means that it's time for me to go because they're not gonna stay quiet. We're expecting rain later today, so I'm gonna come back today and show you guys my overall review on the Joya tea. Alright guys, so here is my tea. I'm using this same pitcher, which is my favorite. I love using this for all my loose leaf teas. I just find it really convenient, very easy to wash, and I never have a leaf spillage on my drink. It's always perfect. So I recommend you guys to buy this. I'm gonna leave a link on this on my description box of this video, so you guys can purchase it. It's on Amazon, and I think it's $32 for a 34-ounce jar. So it's very, very handy and very easy to use and very easy to wash. Anyways, so I'm trying the tea that I have in here is the Joya, or the jewel tea in Spanish. This one here has, let me read. So the steeping in directions, it says that you can steep it for 8 to 15 minutes. It's an herbal tea, and it says that it's an organic chicory, organic dandelion, organic maca, organic ginger, organic nutmeg, cacao, fennel, cardamom, cinnamon, and rhodiola, and clove, star anise, and black pepper. So many different ingredients. But before I try it, I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. Okay, so now that I'm smelling it, so smelling it before brewing it, before steeping it, it smelled like a chai, like cinnamon, cloves, and spices. Now that it's brewed like this, I'm only smelling like the star anise and a little bit of the cardamom. I'm not really getting the cinnamon in it, so very interesting. So this is good for giving you adaptogenic, or I don't know what that means, adaptogenic, but it's good for giving you cognitive, for like if you're feeling a little bit disoriented or maybe your eyes are hurting. This tends to be a good tea. But enough blabbering. I also got this clear mug so we can look at the color of the tea. So let's go. Perfect. All right, guys, so here we go. Finish brewing it. I brewed this for like 10 minutes. It smells so good. I don't want to try it. I want to sniff it more and tell you guys more about the tea. So it apparently has maca root, ginger, rhodiola, star anise, cinnamon, clove, cardamom. Sounds like it's gonna be really good as a tea latte. However, for the purpose of this video, I just want to try the tea in its raw state, pure, you know, as a purist that I'm not, but I'm doing it for this video. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. I don't want to burn my mouth, but I think I will. Okay, so the chicory root is definitely popping out. It's very earthy. I would describe it as a very earthy, yeah, very earthy. Now why I'm going like this, like, just because I want to get all my mouth covered with the flavor of the tea. Oh, okay, so slurping it also like this kind of gives you more of an aromatic feel and taste to your taste buds. I could definitely see this not working with milk. I would assume that since it has chai and star anise and clove and cinnamon, it would work great with milk, but I don't think it'll work as great as I thought it was going to. Drinking it straight up like this, I like it. It doesn't need any sugar. It tastes really sweet already. I think that the cinnamon, the clove, the star anise, the cardamom, the ginger, the chicory root, the maca root, the rhodiola work in perfect symmetry. It smells really good though. Like, it's a very soothing, warm, relaxing tea. Definitely not a tea that I would like to drink at night. More like during the day. Really good. If I had to give this a 10 rating from 1 to 10, I'll probably give it an 8. It's not a tea that I would drink periodically or on a daily basis. It's not like a English breakfast or like a Earl Grey or your vanilla Camaro from Hardy and Sons. It's more like a once in a week type of thing, kind of like medicinal. However, when I say medicinal, I don't mean like a herbal taste. I mean more of like a, you know, full of properties, full of antioxidants. Definitely better than the turmeric that I've had before. This is really good. I really like it. It's a really nice tea. I definitely do recommend you guys to try them out. I'm interested now into trying more teas from them based on this one, because this one feels like it's very high quality and it tastes like it's high quality. I kind of want to see if they have anything with matcha, because I feel like they're gonna do a really good matcha tea. But you can definitely taste the chicory. It definitely makes it more earthy. So overall, guys, really impressed with this SipsBy box and really happy with this Joya tea, or Joya. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, guys, what you guys think about this video, about this tea. If you had it in your box, did you like it? Have you tried it? Are you interested? And if you guys And if you guys also have a YouTube channel or anything that you guys wanted me to follow you guys, I'm more than happy to follow anyone that's interested, because I love making new tea friends and plant friends as well. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram handle right here. And yep, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Kapong karigato.